Hi guys, with another video. This is the Toyota Camry. I had a P0401 code. So I am gonna tell you how I solved this problem. So first things first, you have to check all the hoses if there's any cracks, and then after that we're gonna diagnose the EGR and modulator too. Then also another tool you need. This is the tool that you need. This is the one. Yeah. This is the one you. What do you need? What we're gonna do? Yeah. We're gonna start the engine. And hold on a minute. Then I have to set my things. Hold on. So, what we're gonna do? We're gonna take it out of this hose from here, as you see, from here. Sorry. Just take it out. Like, hold on. Hold on. Put this camera. Right. Just to take it out. Okay. Almost. Okay, this goes here. Okay. What you're gonna do? This is the EGR hose, and this pump goes inside of this hole, right here. What I'm gonna do now is just start the engine, and I will pump it like this. If its engine stops, then which means EGR is good condition. Let's do it. Sorry. Hold on a minute. As you see, the engine is started. Now what I'm gonna do with this hand pump, I'm gonna pump it. If his engine is stopped, like as you see, like I'm gonna pump it now. One, see, it stops. So which means EGR is a good condition. So when it stops, now we're gonna, as you see, the EGR valve. This is the working condition. When I pumped it and the engine is stopped, which means is EGR valve is good condition. So this is the modulator. As you see, this is the one. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take it out of this hose that from the Q side. They put all the PRQ. We're gonna take it out of this Q hose, and put this one other hose right here, small hose. Just put it here, and then grab that hand pump, air pump. Let's go ahead. What you're gonna do? This is again this pump. We're gonna use it. Then put this hose inside it. Then what we'll do, and we're gonna start the engine again. This time, different way that we're gonna test it. So hold on a minute. When you start the engine, and just push the gas a little bit here, as this is the one that I will show. This is the one. Sorry, the little is like you have to push the gas from here. Then you have to same time you have to look to this gauge. If his gauge goes higher, like for example, let me put this camera here and let me show you. maybe it's gonna go all the way. Like when you push the gas, as you see, this goes higher and goes lower. Then which means is regulator is good. If it goes high, then drops. That means modulator is good condition. I hope you guys saw from there. One more time. And when you push the gas, and it goes high and drops. That's the modulator is good condition. All right. Now we're gonna do the another things. So what did I find? That this Egr valve is good conditions, and the modulator is working condition, and all the hose was good condition. So what I find, this is that's vacuum switch valve. As you see, every other car maybe has or not, but Toyota has. This is the one that wasn't working, which I find this part on behind the engine, so little under the engine. So you have to look the location where is yours, but mine is behind the engine, little bit under the engine. So I took it, this part, I took it away, I tested, and it wasn't working, and I changed this one. And after that, I drive my car 7-8 miles, and code is disappeared. P0401, it's gone. This was the problem, and maybe yours is Egr valve, maybe it's a modulator, but you have to diagnose, as I show you, then you don't have problem, and you can find easily what is the problem. If these are not the problem, then this is the problem. If the hose are not cracked, and then you have to check each one of them. This is the P0401 problem solution. So hopefully this is the helpful you guys, and yeah, maybe next video I can show you how you can test this vacuum switch valve, that is it working or not. Yeah, please subscribe and like also. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.